Hey, beautiful souls. I'm Jasmine, and today we will be going over the pyramid pose. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. Pyramid pose is a deep forward fold that helps with balance and body awareness. Pyramid pose can calm the brain and help the sinuses with mild inversion. Pyramid pose helps to lengthen the spine and stretches the hip muscles and hamstrings. It also strengthens the legs, improves posture, and aids in digestion. If you're looking for a yoga pose that improves your flexibility and posture, this is the video for you. So let's begin. You will start in mountain pose. Make sure your hips are squared and your feet are hip width apart. Step your right foot back about 3 to 4 feet. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed. Bend at the hips and lower your upper body down towards your front leg. There are 3 different variations you can do with your arms. You can either place your hands on either side of your front foot, or you can cross your arms behind your back and clasp each elbow with the opposite hand. Or if you are more flexible, you can do a reverse prayer pose. Once you've found which variation you want to use, we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute. And remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Release your arms, bring your feet together, and slowly roll your body back up into mountain pose. Now we will repeat this pose on the other side. Make sure your hips are squared and your feet are hip width apart. Step your left foot back this time. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed. Bend at the hips and lower your upper body down towards your leg. Then choose which variation you want to do, whether you want your arms by your side or if you want to cross your arms behind your back and hold on to each elbow, or you can try to do the reverse prayer pose. Now we are going to hold this pose on this side for 1 minute, and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now release your arms, bring your feet together, and slowly roll your body back up into mountain pose. And that is how you do pyramid pose.